Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by assembling ingredients and prepping bread for Dwayne Johnson-style French toast. Use 6 thick slices of brioche, each about 1 inch thick. Whisk 3 eggs, 1/2 cup milk, 2 scoops, 30 g, vanilla protein, 1 tsp vanilla, 1/2 tsp cinnamon into a smooth custard. Add a pinch of salt and 2 tablespoons light brown sugar for depth. Reserve 2 tablespoons unsalted butter and 1 tablespoon neutral oil for the pan. Preheat a heavy skillet to medium-low so the center cooks through without burning the exterior. Dip each brioche slice fully into the protein custard and let the bread absorb the liquid. For thick slices, soak 20 to 30 seconds per side. Heat the skillet with the butter and oil blend until sizzling, then transfer soaked slices and cook on medium-low for 3 to 4 minutes per side until deep golden and set. For very thick or dense slices, finish in a 350 degrees F oven for 4 minutes to ensure the interior is cooked without over-browning the surface. To plate Dwayne Johnson French toast, cut each slice into quarters and arrange warm on plates so every piece is easy to pick up. Serve hot with a pat of butter melting on top. Top each portion with 2 tablespoons maple syrup, 1/4 cup mixed berries, and a light sprinkle of powdered sugar for contrast. For higher protein, increase custard by adding 1 extra scoop of protein powder or serve with 1 tablespoon Greek yogurt. For savory balance, add a pinch of flaky salt to the butter before serving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.